Hello all, today I will be discussing what major you should pick if your goal is medical school. Maybe you have always dreamt about becoming a doctor, or this is a desire, but what are the first steps to enter into this journey? In order to get into medical school in the United States, there are some requirements you have to meet, but having graduated college with a specific major is not one of them. Let me explain further. I'm Dr. Ava. I'm an internal medicine hospitalist, and together we will talk all about your undergrad major of choosing and how it affects your pre-med path. Okay, yes, you can pick any major to do your undergrad in. You don't have to be a science major. There are people that have done political science, education. Some people have even chosen drama for their undergrad. In fact, some studies have shown that students who pursue music, writing, or performing arts majors indicated to have a high potential to create bonds with patients. On the other hand, business majors, especially finance, are highly relevant to running a successful medical practice. As medical schools increasingly seek well-rounded applicants, humanities majors are becoming more too common. The key here is picking the prerequisite classes that med schools ask for. Most medical schools require the following courses: 2 courses of biology with lab, 2 courses of general and organic chemistry, each with labs, 2 courses of physics with lab, 2 of English and writing, and 1 course of biochemistry, sociology, psychology, statistics, and calculus. Most people pick a science major because often these required classes are already included in their curriculum. According to the Association of American Medical Colleges, more than half of medical school applicants, as well as matriculants, major in the biological sciences. But biology is not the only science major available. Many universities offer a variety of science majors, such as neuroscience, physiology, medical science, microbiology, zoology, and even biotechnology. But if you pick, let's say, education or business as your major, that's fine too. You need to make sure you have those required classes down. You may need to take them as additional classes if not included in the requirement for your chosen major. There's no such thing as a pre-med major. I think this comes as a surprise to many. Pre-med is not a specific major, but rather an educational track aimed for preparing students for the MCAT, which is the test required to go into medical school in the US, similar to the SAT for high schoolers to enter college. When you hear people say that they are pre-med, they're just referring to their plan of attending medical school in the future, not their actual major. You might also want to consider picking up a non-science minor. This can offer a way to make your application stand out while also allowing you to focus primarily on the area most applicable to medical school. Spanish is an excellent option for a minor. Many undergraduate service opportunities include volunteering or working in Spanish-speaking countries, so this can be a great way to obtain a meaningful clinical experience. Plus, knowing Spanish will likely be useful in your future practice anyway. What if you're not sure you want to become a doctor? Should you still get on the pre-med track? There's nothing wrong with going into college unsure of your specific career goals. Applying to medical school requires a lot of planning. If you're uncertain, I would recommend for you to get on the pre-med track early anyway. It's easier to get off than it is to join later on. However, consider majoring in whatever interests you and will keep you engaged and motivated during undergrad. Medical schools want students who are authentic with genuine interest, so it's best to major in what you want, not what you think they want. There are many paths to medicine, and the admissions committee recognizes that. As long as those paths prepare you for the rigors of medical school, that's what they're looking for. They won't exclude anyone because of a major, and no one really gets an extra bump because they chose a particular one. All majors are welcome, but keep in mind that it's always good for you to research what medical schools you are interested in to see what the requirements they ask for. If you want help choosing a major or tracking a path that works for you, get in touch with me for my one-on-one support. We will discuss your situation in detail and come up with a solution that fits you to become a successful doctor. Click on the link in the description below to learn more. Otherwise, I'll see you again next time.